and wash my feet as well. And then I have to shower off the upper body. Make sure all that soap gets off. Make it look nice and clean. I also did a shower video right after this for OF. So I put water against my skin. It's so relaxing. I also like to take pictures for Instagram too sometimes, and Twitter, after I'm all clean from the shower. Might do a sleep stream on Twitch. Not sure yet, so many things. Taking a shower though is really like my form of meditation. That's why they take so long. I also have this Medicube body wash that I use. It's really good for sensitive skin, and it helps prevent like the chicken skin texture that I was talking about. I don't concentrate it as long on my upper body. It's really more for the back of my legs, but it's good to just get it everywhere. It can really clean out your pores, especially when you use it with like a light exfoliation glove or scrub. Really effective. I'm gonna rinse that off. I'm rinsing it all off me. And then after that, I'm going to take my acai your boobies. I don't know what to call this. Cream? Body cream? Body scrub? I think it's a body scrub. It has a little exfoliation in it. Take that. It's also from Truly and smells so good. And it's meant to give you soft skin focused around your chest and neck. I like using it on my armpits also though because it smells so good. I smell like a snack. Berry smell. And rinse that all off. At this point I'm feeling really clean now.